students to be alert and listen to that. And there is one more surprise sports for you for high school. Announce.
Good morning, children. It's a day where dual importance is there. One you've already seen. I hope you remember the date. What is the date today? What did we celebrate today? Now one more celebration is there which we need to remember and pay respect to the person on whose name we celebrate the other importance of today. Telugu Divas children, please move. Very good. So we recognize it, we celebrate to give him respect, we celebrate National Sports Day. More will be elaborated on this by a senior standing here. Over to Himesh.
Morning, today we gathered to celebrate National Sports Day, a tribute to the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, whose unparalleled skill and dedication earned India countless prizes. Sports are an integral part of our lives, teaching us teamwork, discipline and perseverance. They build character and promote physical and mental well-being. As we honor Major Dhyan Chand's legacy, let us pledge to promote sports culture in our nation. Let us encourage our youth to embrace sports, cultivate excellence and strive for greatness. Let us recognize the unsung heroes in our sports communities, coaches, trainers and athletes who work tirelessly behind the scenes. On this National Sports Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to fitness, sportsmanship and pursuit of excellence.
నేను కొంచెం ముందుకు రాడు ఇంకా గ్యాప్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది.
ఎంతమంది మోసుకొచ్చారు దాన్ని? ఎవడోడు వచ్చింది
చలపతి సార్ అన్నాను నేను స్ప్రింగ్ డైల్లో
ఆయన ప్లేయరా